The Police Regional Office 7 will create a Regional Joint Security Coordination Center to prepare for and monitor the possible election watch list areas or EWAS in Central Visayas. According to RIDMD 7 Chief Police Colonel Josefino Ligan, they currently have 63 EWAS being monitored since the last 2019 elections.
Dayon ang pagkandak sa validation, labi na ning mga election watch list areas. But considering historically, we have 63 monitored na election watch list areas. Last year, historically yan, dahil last year. Ngayon, kagaya ng sinabi ko, patuloy pa rin ang validation yan.
He added that since the filing of certificate of candidacies, they have not yet recorded any election-related incidents in Central Visayas.
May lagay na yan, ma-prove na or mapirmahan na ng validation committee, ito na yung titingnan natin na tututukan ng pansin lalo na sa eleksyon.
Police Colonel Engelbert Soriano also has the same observation as far as Cebu Province is concerned.
Tingin ko yung mainit na description ay based on the anticipated intensified political rivalry. Pero as far as the candidates are concerned, including the incumbents who are also running in those places na na-mention mo, wala po kaming na-observe o nakikita na potential na threat of any concern sa kanila.
Police Intelligence Division Chief Police Colonel Glenn Mayam said that they are also looking at including more areas under the election watch list if they have CPP-NPA presence and have known intense political rivalries.
I also want to inform you na yung mga barangays or municipalities which is threatened by the communist terrorist group is considered as election watch list areas.
Most areas that are usually placed under election watch list are the provinces of Bohol and Negros Oriental and several places in Cebu. This has been Sheriza Uy from 𝗍𝗲𝗀𝗁 Cebu.